Hola amigos! In this video I am going to walk you through the Llamitas Spanish Level 1 curriculum. At Llamitas, every curriculum level is designed by a dedicated team of bilingual educators, talented artists and voice actors from many Spanish-speaking countries. Our mission is to provide academically robust, beautifully illustrated and culturally authentic Spanish curricula to help families raise bilingual and biliterate children. Level 1 is our foundational course for elementary students. Beginners should start here. There are no prerequisites and you don't need to be fluent in Spanish to teach our lessons. We support you every step of the way with scripts, native audio and pronunciation guides. The academic content in Level 1 is suitable for children ages 5 and up, with most children aging out of Level 1 by about age 10. While we group our courses by levels instead of school grades, Level 1 correlates with the standards for kindergarten and first grade in Spanish. Level 1 reviews the content taught in the preschool morning binder and levels up with a far more thorough and comprehensive program. Your child will expand their vocabulary and build a firm foundation in Spanish academics through 12-unit studies. Our award-winning Level 1 curriculum box includes a full-colour, beautiful textbook with the 12 sequential unit studies, a set of 24 leveled libritos or readers, there are 2 per unit, and optional flashcards are also available for vocabulary review. Plus, you receive lifetime access to the entire Level 1 course in our digital course library. Here you'll find the audio playlists for each unit and the PDF lesson downloads. If you order the printed version, you'll receive the books mentioned previously in the box, so there's no need to print the lesson PDFs. If you prefer to print at home, we provide detailed printing guidelines on our FAQ page, which we'll link in the description below. Level 1 consists of 12 unit studies, each comprising 6 lessons that typically last 20 to 30 minutes. And the units are rich with engaging topics, including the ocean, farm, forest, garden, safari, jungle, family, pets, fruit and vegetables, transportation, community helpers, and outer space. Each unit immerses your child in cross-curricular learning, covering many core subjects in Spanish. Let's take a look now at the academics. In Level 1, students build a strong foundation in Spanish phonics by learning individual letters and practicing consonant-vowel syllable blending. They begin decoding simple Spanish words and develop early phonemic awareness by counting syllables. Math instruction in Level 1 covers counting up to 100, skip counting by tens, identifying basic 2D shapes, and sorting and classifying objects. Students also learn to solve simple addition and subtraction problems up to 10, with word problems presented in Spanish to reinforce language learning. Level 1 supports students in developing early literacy skills through a series of 24 first readers. Each librito, or reader, features simple sentences that align with unit topics and reinforce core vocabulary, verbs, and grammar. Foundational grammar is introduced through lessons on prepositions, comparatives, and superlatives. While Level 1 focuses on foundational language, Level 2 marks the beginning of our unique story-based approach to grammar instruction, where children learn grammar in context through beautifully written short stories. You can find our Level 2 curriculum flip-through video linked in the description below. Music plays a central role in Level 1, with 31 traditional Spanish songs integrated across various units. Favorites include Los pollitos dicen in the farm unit, Un elefante se balanceaba in our safari unit, and La lechuza in the forest unit, just to name a few. These songs support vocabulary development and cultural appreciation in a joyful and memorable way. Young learners are also introduced to a touch of science through gentle explorations of topics like the life cycle of a butterfly. Plus, they begin to study and appreciate creative expression by studying works of art from notable Hispanic artists. Level 1 is all about laying the groundwork for Spanish language fluency, while sparking curiosity across subjects. As students progress to our upper levels, they dive deeper into science, geography, history, and cultural studies, building on the strong linguistic foundation set in Level 1. Whether you're a homeschooling family or simply looking to enrich your child's language journey, Llamitas Spanish is here to support you every step of the way. We can't wait to come alongside you in your bilingual adventure.